SHOT Show 2022 is one of the best SHOT shows in decades. Let's take a look at some of our coverage of the show.
The idea that you're trying to solve a problem is awesome, and you've made it in an innovative way. That's really neat to see.
My ultimate goal, personally, is to make a dent in rape.
Right on. June 2022, what are we looking at?
This is a semi-automatic 22 long rifle pistol made for the concealed carry market. So you carry it in this state, fully closed. When you're ready to fire, there, open it up, it's ready to shoot. Then when you're ready to close...
You're telling me the magazine's on top?
Yep, magazine is right here. So you can see right here...
Who's the inventor?
This guy right here.
Awesome.
Bill Osborne. You load in the rounds up top here, just set them in all the way across. You can see a fully loaded one right here.
That's awesome.
Then close it.
All aluminum?
Aluminum, steel. You got some plastics in there.
Very few though. It doesn't look like. Or is that top part plastic? Is it mag plastic?
I thought
that was aluminum. Yeah, okay.
Yep.
It's just like a brushed aluminum or something.
Yep, exactly. The handle's plastic here.
Oh, okay. I thought that was aluminum too. Okay.
Yep. Open it up.
Pretty nice trigger too for some of these things. Usually have goofy triggers. So
Yep, you can drop
It's about a 5-time trigger.
5.5 pound.
Yep. So after I'm
So when you
tapering it.
fold it, it covers the barrel.
Sorry. What?
Sorry, when you folded it, the grip covered the barrel.
Yeah. So the barrel you can see comes out.
Okay.
The advantage of that is on the inside here, you'll see the...
You guys want to be scanned in?
Are you kidding me? The side panel came up by clicking like that?
I don't care.
So if you need to
Awesome.
field strip it for any reason,
Send information.
you can see the hammers down here, firing pins in here. So when you start closing it,
One of my personal business.
the hammer is actually blocked by the barrel, so the hammer has no access to the firing pin. So there's no external safety.
That is so cool.
It's impossible to fire when it's after it starts closing. So it's only once it's fully open that the trigger's active. And then it'll reset the hammer, reset the trigger just by closing it.
That's super cool. How long has it been around?
This is the intro.
Right on.
Yeah, in
Are
about
you
2
okay being on
months.
camera?
I'm fine.
Well, you're the inventor. Appreciate it. Thank you. I wanted to shake the hand of a firearms inventor while I was here, so I'm glad I've been able to on my first day.
Thank you.
Where did the idea come from?
A sad story. A relative of mine was raped in her apartment twice. And it got me thinking as an engineer, how can we get more people concealed carried? How can we get more people concealed carrying? And some of the barriers to entry are people are concerned about the guns going off accidentally when they're in their pocket or their purse. So if you have it deployed and the trigger is accessible, it might get hung up on something. With this device, when it's closed, the trigger is secured. It's impossible to actuate it. And also the hammer is...
He showed on the internals how the hammer is physically moved, right?
Yeah, so
very cool.
They're physically dissociated.
And it doesn't look like a gun at all, so it looks in your pocket like it could be some kind of electronic device or sports equipment or something.
A lot of times when I go to the coffee shop, I lay it next to my coffee, and it's never made anyone concerned. People have said, is it a vaping device or whatever? And, I disagree with them and don't talk about it. But yeah, it's about a half a pound fully loaded.
These are real weight?
Yep.
Yeah,
they're nothing.
These were all made on production tooling. We're going through life testing right now, and we hope to be shipping in 2 to 3 months.
Awesome.
But it's been in development for a long time. It's like probably 6 years. It's got multiple patents on it. And I don't know if you've seen the video, but it fires 11 rounds. You can find the video at ounceoz.com. It's made in Washington State.
Awesome.
I've got an engineering consulting company, and we have our own factory.
Awesome. Well, I'm just walking through the show and I saw the video playing and I didn't know what it was until I saw the 22 rounds and super innovative. Are you having a good show?
We're enjoying this, yes. This is new for us. Again, we're new to the firearms industry. My son and I are both mechanical engineers, and I've got 35 years experience, master's degree in mechanical engineering systems design, and hundreds of millions of products on the market today that I've worked on.
Oh, right on.
But this is new for me.
Well, appreciate it. And the idea that you're trying to solve a problem is awesome, and you've made it in an innovative way. That's really neat to see.
My ultimate goal, personally, is to make a dent in rape.
Right on.
But there's a lot of different types of crime. I want people to be able to defend themselves, and there's future generations of this that we're already working on that'll have a electronics to talk to the phone, to be able to call dad, call the police, whatever, if you reach for it. Not to disable it, but to do that aspect. And if it takes off, we'll do a 9mm version too eventually.
That is super cool. Thanks for your time. I hope you have a great show.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
So I was super stoked to find this on the first day, Tuesday of SHOT Show. Really thought it was innovative. It seems like it had a lot of good attention at the show. Let us know what you think in the comments. Looking forward to what others think of this one. So let us know what you think. We'll be watching the comments wherever you find the video, over on gunstreamer.com or on guntube.org. Thank you for supporting our projects. If you'd like to buy us a cup of coffee, check out our Patreon channel.
The guys and gals of gunwebsites.com encourage you to take a CCW class every year, practice at least once a month, and carry every day. Thank you for watching gunwebsites.com.